Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about social media content calendar. सोशल मीडिया कंटेंट कैलेंडर एक प्रॉपर प्लानिंग टूल होता है जिसमें हम अपने पोस्ट को पहले से प्लान, ऑर्गेनाइज और शेड्यूल करते हैं। इससे हमें क्लियर आइडिया मिलती है कि कौन से दिन क्या कंटेंट पोस्ट करना है, किस प्लेटफॉर्म पर पोस्ट करना है और किस ऑब्जेक्टिव के लिए पोस्ट करना है। अगर हम बिना प्लानिंग के रैंडम पोस्टिंग करते हैं तो कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन नहीं होती और एंगेजमेंट भी नहीं बढ़ सकती। लेकिन कंटेंट कैलेंडर यूज करने से हम रेगुलर पोस्टिंग, बेटर ऑडियंस एंगेजमेंट और स्ट्रॉन्ग मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी मेंटेन कर सकते हैं। ये स्पेशली हेल्पफुल होता है बिजनेस कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स, ब्रांड्स और डिजिटल मार्केटर्स के लिए जिनको अपनी ऑडियंस रीच और ब्रांड ग्रोथ इंक्रीज करनी होती है। सो टुडे आई विल एक्सप्लेन हाउ टू क्रिएट, प्लान एंड मैनेज a social media content calendar effectively. Different social media management tools are available in the market such as Hootsuite, Latter, but today we are going to use Buffer because it is simple, user friendly and best for beginners as well as for small business. Now I will explain how to use Buffer from starting to posting. To use Buffer, we need to visit official website buffer.com, then click on the login button. अगर ऑलरेडी अकाउंट है तो ईमेल और पासवर्ड एंटर कर सकते हैं। अगर अकाउंट नहीं है तो वी क्लिक ऑन साइन अप एंड क्रिएट न्यू अकाउंट यूजिंग ईमेल और गूगल। So now we are going to create new account and click on sign up. After successful login, we enter in Buffer dashboard. लॉगिन के बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेप होता है सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट को कनेक्ट करना। डैशबोर्ड में ऑल चैनल ऑप्शन है। By using this option, we can connect different social media. यहाँ पे लिस्ट है different social medias. Now I will explain how to connect सोशल मीडिया चैनल इन बफर। लॉगिन करने के बाद हम बफर के डैशबोर्ड पर आ जाते हैं। यहाँ लेफ्ट साइड या टॉप मेनू में कनेक्ट चैनल या ऐड चैनल ऑप्शन अवेलेबल होता है। Now see here all channels option is available and in front of this plus sign is there. It means that we can connect these channels from here. If we look over here, channels option is there. Okay, so from this side also we can connect different channels. So for now we will click here connect a channel. Multiple options of channels available here. Instagram, Threads, LinkedIn, Facebook, Blue Sky. See, different options are available. Fine. So for now, we are going to connect it with Instagram. So I'm going to select it. Now next option is there whether you want how would you like to connect your Instagram account professionally or personally. Okay, so here I'm going to use professional account. Now we are going to connect with channel. So buffer requesting for access. So it will ask you for confirmation from your account. Once it is connected successfully, it will ask you for your goal. How many posts you want? One time per week, three times per week, five times per week. or you can choose randomly also. So choose your goal is there. For now I'm going to use this option and click on next. Okay, so they're going to recommend timings for us. Okay. Now after connecting channel, your channel is visible here now. See, one channel connection is done. If you want to connect more than one channel, that is also possible. So we'll connect YouTube channel here. Select your mail account. Buffer will ask you about confirmation whether it is your account or not, or buffer will ask access permission. So click on continue and finish connection. Once again select posting goal and click on next for YouTube channel now. Now see, one Instagram account connected here and one YouTube channel connected here. Fine. In this way we can connect channels in buffer. Now we have added free channels. One more LinkedIn I have added here, and these are visible. Now we are going to create first post. So click on new post. Okay. See, I have added Instagram, then YouTube channel and LinkedIn profile here. Here I'm going to post it on LinkedIn. Okay. Type your content. Okay. I want to add one attachment, one image also. Whatever file you want to add, you can add it, but follow the format for adding it. I have selected LinkedIn profile. That's why preview is available by considering LinkedIn profile. If you want to save this post for later use, you can save it. Now I want to use advanced setting. If you want to publish it right now, you can click right now. If you want to set it for another day, date and time, we are going to pick up time from here. Okay. So okay, so 6:15 p.m. I have considered this time for posting, and if done, and schedule post. Okay, now see, it is visible. We have created it and it is going to post on 6:15 p.m. If you want to publish it right now, once again option available to you. Okay, see its LinkedIn page and this industrial visit at FinTech Credit System Pune post is done on LinkedIn. Sometimes time zone is different. If you want to change time zone, you can change from this tab. All posts and channels tags. This is nothing but provided us to sort our posts. In this way, we can schedule different posts on different channels by using buffer. Thank you.